Hi, Pam Kinneberg here with facepaint.com, and today I'm going to show you how to restore your dried up glitter gels. I keep my glitter gels in these small stackable containers. I like to take a lot of glitter with me, and this makes it possible for me to do so. I just take a little bit of glitter from the original containers and put it in these as I buy these empty. Then on the bottom of this stack, I put a magnet that makes it so that this stack of glitters doesn't fall over. This magnet sticks to the bottom of my crafting go, so that works pretty good. Now, this glitter is super dry. It's very flaky. There's no way I could apply this to anybody's skin because it's lost all of its gel and the consistency that it came with. So I use water in a spray bottle, and I also use the Art Factory Festival Glitter Clear Gel Base. And with those two items or supplies and a stirring stick, I just have sort of I think this is a clay tool. It's metal and it works really good for me, but if you have whatever you have to stir with is great. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray some water in there, and just spray quite a bit. I put quite a few pumps of water in there, and what you're doing is you're gradually bringing the moisture back into the gel that was in there. So spray water and mix it up. Now I'm spraying a second time. You might have to spray 2, 3, 4, even 5 times, depending on the amount of glitter you have and how dry it is. So just keep stirring. You want to work that water into all of the different parts of your dried up glitter. And sometimes there's big chunks that you gotta sort of break up too. I know that you all have had this problem, and I just hate to throw glitter away, so this is a great way to keep using your glitter. I am spraying for the 3rd time, and maybe 3rd time's a charm. Just mix that in. Once the consistency gets so that all of the lumps are broken up and the glitter is sticking together fairly well, then it's time for me to use the gel base in there. So I clean my stirring stick off so that the glitter doesn't get in my gel, and then I just take a little scoop of it and put it right in there, and then I work that into my glitter. And the reason I do it this way is I could just use the glitter gel, the gel base to do this, but I have found that it uses quite a bit and you run out of that gel base. So if you get it moistened and working pretty good with water, and then just add a little bit of the gel base, I think that's a perfect combination. It just is more cost effective that way, and it really returns to the consistency that you bought it as. So remember, the clear gel base is a product I love to have. Thanks for watching.